Hello friends and families, once again welcome to Armstrong Computers. Now today's segment, if you are new here, this is what we learned. You can check out the video here and then you can just learn how to create a database called Ghana TVET service. But today's segment we are going to look at a particular question, and as you can see here, you can see the say question 6. It says what, list the step in which you can protect your Microsoft Access file into bracket encrypt with password. You see here I've already provided the procedures here step by step, where I said click on the file tab on the ribbon, select open, click on the browse, and then open, and then browse to and select what Microsoft Access file you want to encrypt. So now we've written it. What about we looking at how to do that practically? What about we looking at how to do that practically? Now to do that practically, as I just said, this is my screen. So first we need to open the database exclusively. How do we do that? So go ahead and click on file, and I'd like you to click on open. Then I'll click on what we have, browse. So I'll select my computer and click on browse. So when I click on browse, remember in our previous lesson we learned something about how to create a database for Ghana TVET service. So I created that database on my desktop, so I'll double click on my desktop and then look for Ghana TVET service folder. So this is your Ghana TVET service folder. I'll double click on it and I'll select my database file. So after selecting the database file, I just have to come to this where we have database 2, we have open. Click on the task arrow beside open and click on what we have, open exclusively. So I'll click on it and my database will be open. So after my database is open, what I'll do is I'll just click on file and then click on what we have, encrypt with password. So I'll click on that. So when I click on encrypt with password, I need to type my password. So I'll go ahead and type, let me just use 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So basically that is just that. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Then I click on, so I've typed the password, I'll type and verify the password again, and I click on OK. So okay, so done. Then after that, I'll go ahead and close my database. Click on file and I'll click on close. So my database is closed. Now let us retrieve the database again to see how effective encrypting with password, how did it take effect on our database. To do that, I'd like you to click on file, go ahead and click on open and click on what we have, browse, computer, click on browse, and let's select my desktop and let's select Ghana TVET and select Ghana TVET service, click on open, and you see it's asking of password. Remember the password was 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So I'll go ahead 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and I'll go ahead and click on OK. So basically that is just that. You can see that is how you can encrypt your database file with password. I hope this lesson has helped you. Catch you in the next lesson. As I just said, my name is Prince Armstrong of Armstrong Computers. See you when I see you. Bye.